How to rename a field in Tableau in 3 easy steps. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to rename a field in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Renaming a field in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. After connecting to a source, Tableau brings you inside a worksheet. On the left side, Tableau displays all the fields within your source and organizes them as dimensions and measures. You can rename any field in Tableau in 3 easy steps. First, right-click on the field of interest, product name. Then select Rename from the menu. Lastly, rename the field as you wish and press Enter. Congratulations! You are now able to rename a field in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.